South Korea is set to expand its attack helicopter fleet by acquiring 36 additional AH-64E Apache Guardian helicopters from the United States, reflecting a strategic push to strengthen its aerial combat capabilities amid rising regional security tensions, particularly concerning North Korea's military activities. Currently, the South Korean Army fields 36 AH-64E Apaches alongside 55 older AH-1F Cobra helicopters. While the Cobras have been a mainstay for decades, their outdated avionics and limited survivability highlight the urgent need for modernization. Delivered between 2016 and 2017, the AH-64E Apaches represent the pinnacle of rotary wing attack technology in South Korea's arsenal, featuring sophisticated targeting systems, precision weaponry, and enhanced battlefield communication. The decision to double the number of Apaches aims to phase out the aging Cobras and establish a more cohesive, technologically advanced attack helicopter fleet. The AH-64E Apache Guardian stands out as the most cutting-edge variant in the Apache family, engineered for demanding combat environments. Powered by a robust T-700 GE-701D engine and equipped with composite rotor blades, the aircraft boasts superior speed, lift, and agility. Structural reinforcements improve durability in hostile scenarios, while the integrated APG-78 longbow radar system offers all-weather target acquisition and prioritization beyond visual range, giving pilots a crucial edge in fast-paced combat. Advanced avionics and networked communication suites on board the AH-64E enable seamless coordination with other aircraft, unmanned drones, and ground forces. This connectivity allows real-time data exchange and joint targeting, significantly amplifying operational effectiveness in combined arms scenarios. Upgraded mission software, digital displays, and satellite links further empower the helicopter to perform optimally in complex battlefields, underscoring its key role in South Korea's drive for air superiority. This procurement is part of South Korea's broader military modernization plan to counter the growing threats from North Korea and shifting security dynamics in Northeast Asia. Leveraging trusted U.S. defense technologies, Seoul is preparing its forces for future high-intensity conflicts and integrated operations across domains. Although exact timelines and contract details remain confidential, the sale has been approved through the U.S. Foreign Military Sales Framework. Upon completion, the new helicopters will join the Republic of Korea Army's aviation units, markedly enhancing their rapid response and precision strike capabilities. The expanded AH-64E fleet aligns with South Korea's strategic imperative to maintain a technologically advanced and resilient defense posture. Given the North's formidable artillery arrays, armored divisions, and asymmetric tactics, possessing agile, lethal attack helicopters is vital for swift counterattacks, neutralization of key threats, and close air support for ground troops. Equipped with cutting-edge sensor fusion and networked firepower, the AH-64E fleet strengthens deterrence and ensures the ROK Army remains prepared for any escalation along the Korean peninsula.